Melissa Milam here with Top Homes Group, Keller Williams Realty. I am at my newest listing at 32 Jenkins Road in sunny Saco, Maine. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow style home. I'm going to take you inside. Outside. A few things I wanted to show you out here. We have a beautiful pear tree here. They do pick pears from this tree and bake pies with them. There is a lovely space for a fire pit, and pretty soon you're going to see the gorgeous yard that they have and a wonderful area that they've built for their furry friends. Thanks for touring 32 Jenkins Road with me, and I hope to see you at our Twilight Open House Friday from 4:30 to 6:30.